Attention all you aspiring comic artists. Are you passionate about drawing and the unique form of storytelling only found in comics, graphic novels, and manga? And you're ready to level up your skills without breaking the bank? Well, we've heard you loud and clear. Hey, I'm Doc Solo, the director of Ka-Pow, the Comic Art Academy, the real art school for real people with real lives, taught by real industry pros. And we're proud to introduce Panels and Gutters. Join us every week for a live 90-minute lecture delivered straight to you by a seasoned comic industry professional, where we dive deep into the art and craft of comics. Now, maybe you're an absolute beginner, a pro looking to refine your skills, or maybe you're just considering enrolling to become a full-fledged Ka-Pow student but aren't quite sure if you're ready to make that commitment to our main course just yet. Well, if any of these are you, then Panels and Gutters is perfect for you. Not only do you get top-notch seasoned instruction, but you also get to become part of our vibrant community, where you can share your work, get feedback, and participate in regular creative challenges, all designed to help keep you motivated, supported, and growing as a comic creator. Don't wait. Sign up for Panels and Gutters today and start your journey to becoming the competent artist your stories demand and our industry desperately needs. Visit teachusedraw.com and join us and other aspiring artists everywhere for Panels and Gutters today. See you in class. Solo out.